What's up, YouTube? jdm.jay back with another video. I got an IRL video for y'all today. I got the Caprice outside. I'm gonna go ahead and get the trunk put on. Just went and picked one up. Got it back here in the back seat. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing put on. I gotta pull it out, get it all set up, and we're gonna get to it. So I got the trunk in here. Caprice bassed up, nice trim, no dents. Old trunk. It's all beat up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing off. Get the new one on there. A bunch of spare parts in there. So let me get this thing out and get it set up. And then be ready. Trunk out and get the old one off. I'm gonna have to pull the bump off because the new hinges do not line up with this trunk. I guess it was hit right where the latch is at. So I'm gonna take the rear bump off too, just so I can get a better pull on it. We're gonna try to line this thing up. As y'all can see, this has been some damage when I bought the car. So the trunk latch won't fit up with the new trunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bump off so we can start tearing it down. I got two bolts in here, right here, right there, and the same on the other side, and it should just come right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out. And it might be a few clips on the bottom that I'll get out. Let me go through these real quick. So we got everything off, bumper. I'm gonna leave the trunk. I'm gonna switch the trunk over before I get to the latch. But I'm gonna set up the come along to this right here. And we just pull it out just to line it up. I gotta take the trunk off to get the new one on, just so I know exactly where to line this up at. So let's get to that next. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go and get the trunk off. Just 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Let's knock it out. Let's get a side by side. New trunk, old trunk. This one got a lot of damages, a lot of bumps, bruises. I don't know what hit this thing when I got it, but I was not messing with it. So we got this moving right here. No real dents. All the chrome is good. I even got the badge, look, Caprice badge. I can clean it up later. And yeah, we're gonna rock with this one. Get rid of this old thing, and let's go ahead and get this bolted up. So I got them bolted up. I didn't see them all the way down. Just tried to line it up as close to how they was. I left these on loose just so I can move it around a little bit. And as y'all can see now, when I close it, it does not meet the lock. So you see right there, that's what I latch at. When I open it back up, it's sitting right here where I need it to go right here. So I just gotta pull this back. I don't know how long, what's that, like 2 or 3 inches. And I got the come along. I'm gonna get that all set up, hook it up, so I can just pull this frame back a little bit more, and hopefully it just keep it straight to close on this latch. So let's go ahead and get that. Y'all, change of plans. I'm gonna move the Caprice in front of the Silverado. Good cold start. I'm gonna move the Caprice in front of the Silverado, just so I get a better structure to pull from. So I'm gonna get this thing pulled out, switch some cards around real quick, and we're back to setting this thing up. It look good though. Almost there. All right, y'all. I had to cut because me and my dad had to do a lot of pulling and smacking just to get this right. But we basically we tried to pull it with the truck, didn't work. We unbolted the latch and just started banging it a couple thousand times, like a million times probably. And we got it to line up and make sure I got my keys. And we all good. Trunk is good. Latched up, locked in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this bolted in and call it a day. Alright, y'all, bumper's on, trunk is on. Just gotta bolt up a couple stuff, put a few bolts back in the bumper, but got a new trunk on. Finally got a undamaged piece. All that's left is the hood, and I'm currently taking the interior down so I can do the starlight. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. If y'all see these, hood coming soon whenever I figure this stuff out. Found me a hood just to clean up all the trim pieces. Got the new bumper, side markers. Found these little plastic pieces for the fenders. I kind of want to go the little LED lights that they have for them, but until I find some, this how we riding for a minute. And yeah, I say it look better than it did. And I actually got a Caprice badge, so that's an upgrade. I might take the Chevy sign off. Don't know how I feel about that yet. But yeah, I'm gonna bolt the rest of this stuff off. And I got my buddy right here. Stole him some styrofoam. I'm gonna wrap this one up right here, y'all. If y'all do enjoy my videos, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I have more on the Caprice, more gaming stuff, more everything coming soon. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.